Okay, so just got back from the store. I do have to go back out because my card wasn't in my purse, so I wasn't sure if I'd be able to afford everything with the cash that I had. And unfortunately, the grocery store doesn't take Apple Pay, so there's that. But I have to go pick up a lemon and I have to get gas as well. Thankfully, we live right across the street from a gas station and a small grocery store. And even though I don't like it, I'm gonna have to go there. So I'm just gonna show you guys all the stuff that I got for my vegetable soup. I got them some turkey and crackers for lunch. So I'm gonna set you guys down actually. Alright. So we have some corn, diced tomatoes, oregano, onion, and cilantro. Alright. Oh, that's a little X-rated. So I have the worst, like, fingers and nails and just hands in general. Because I have really bad anxiety. And these just, I need to do something about them, especially because working with people and like using my hands a lot, I just want my hands to look a little bit better. I don't have all the supplies that I would like to have, but I do just want to at least start doing something, and then I'm gonna eventually like do some oil treatments, do some oil on the cuticles and stuff, but right now they're looking a little not well. I wish I had a better like nail polish remover, but this is just the cheap one that I've had for years because I don't necessarily ever do my nails. So I'm going to use a little bit of this Aveda hand relief. I got this when I went on my campus tour, and it's basically the Sham Pure aroma, and it's super nice, and it's just, I don't know, it's really nice, and it smells good too. The thing with Aveda products is like you don't need a lot, so I've made this last since pretty much February. So I'm gonna do, oh goodness, my camera's gonna die. But anyway, I'm gonna do a top coat. Well, my camera charges, and then I'll show you guys what my nails end up looking like. I'm also going to try to do some updates as we move along in our day, but I'm going to do this and then I'll be back. The soup is ready. Serve it to the girls with some bread on the side. So I'm just gonna plate it, and yeah, that'll be good. The soup, I do give them a little less broth because I don't want a mess, but you know, that's it. Okay, so you guys saw that I made the soup. It was good. It was good. We had a bowl, and the girls had a bowl, and they really enjoyed it. So now I'm just gonna get ready for bed. I moved to Amazon. It's fashion. So I'm gonna sit you guys down. I'm gonna get ready for bed, like I said. So what I typically do for nighttime, so I use this for the cream cleanser. Alright, and then for toner, I'm just gonna use this Fave's facial toner. It's the rose petal kind. So that is pretty much the end of my Sunday self-care day. My self-care Sunday. Does that sound better? I don't know. I'm feeling really just horrible about myself. Like, my body dysmorphia has just gotten really bad. Yesterday we were trying to take pictures for Halloween, and it was just really bad. That combined with the fact that there's like really just hormones all over the place. I'm supposed to start my period soon, so that hasn't helped. I'm gonna brush my teeth in a little bit, and then I'm probably just gonna go lay down, watch some TV with the girls, and wait for Matt to get home. But it's just been a really hard couple of months ever since Corona hit. I just, you know, it's like done a really big thing on my head, and just like my body image and everything else. I have just not been thriving, despite what you might see on like social media and like my selfies and stuff. It just hasn't been good. So but that's the end of the day. It's like 8 o'clock now, so I think I'm just gonna go sit down and relax. Just, you know, live life. But I'll see you guys next week. I'm gonna start a new vlog tomorrow, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. You won't see me tomorrow, but I'll see you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe as I sit here in my weird mental state. But yeah, see you guys later. Bye.